Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom duplex in Bordentown City, New Jersey. It is for sale for $185. It is also for rent for $1,600 a month. I can't start out front because it's raining, but we're going to do a virtual showing right now. So we were starting on the front porch, now we're in the living room. You can drag and scroll through all these pictures. It's a 360 camera, so you can see the entire room. That's why I stopped. This is the dining room. 2 storage closets. Everything was just painted. Kitchen, tile backsplash. Pantry closet. Going to move to the half bathroom / laundry room. Go back through the dining room and upstairs. So this first bedroom is the master bedroom. Has 2 closets, wood flooring. Again, this was just painted too. It's got the old trim and all that stuff. Old doors. Gonna walk over to the full bathroom. Shower and tub. It's a bathroom, also just painted. This is the 3rd bedroom. It's the smallest of the 3. Built-ins. And, well, the 2nd bedroom is this one. 1 closet, also just painted. There's this extra bonus attic playroom type thing. Stick the camera up here. Could be used for something. Right now it's being used for storage because this house was just, like I said, painted and all that stuff. Also, if you look behind me, there is a storage attic, which I couldn't find the light for. And now I'm going to go downstairs into the basement real quick. Can't breathe with this mask on. Basement is cement floor, brick walls. It's just for storage and the utilities. Laundry is upstairs. I'm going to go outside real quick. I'm not worried about the rain now since the video is done, but I want to show you the backyard. New AC unit right there, and the house backs up to a park, which I'm going to try and extend my camera up. There you go. So that's 91 Mary Street. Any questions, let me know.